My name is Wade Lennan. I'm the owner of Monaco Motors. We're located in California, Southern California, in Canoga Park, California. We've been in business for 31 years as of April 1st, 1991. We work on Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, Mini Cooper, and Audi. What drew me to the iSCAN is that on the late model Porsches, we couldn't actually reset the service light, oil service light, or any of the service lights. So I sought out a tester that would be able to do that. And the iSCAN was the thing that came right to our plate, and I didn't hesitate one bit to purchase it. Time is always a factor in our business, and we only have so much time in a day. So anything that can make our job faster and more accurate, the iSCAN is actually the tool that has been tremendous for us. You know, because basically the factory tools we have found are very slow, and the iSCAN makes it so much easier for us. There's actually multiple aspects of the iSCAN that we love. The tech support's great. Dominic's phenomenal. He's been great as far as diagnostic support and actually, you know, the programming, the coding, everything that goes with it. You know, the support's been fabulous, and you know, it's our go-to tool, and it's a super fast tool, and we love it for that.